Have you ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind the sleek interface and innovative features of Lunar Bank? It's a question that's sparked curiosity among many, especially those who've been impressed by its digital banking prowess. Lunar Bank, a neobank that's rapidly gaining traction, offers a refreshing take on traditional banking. With its user-friendly app, seamless transactions, and a range of personalized financial tools, it's clear that there's a lot more than meets the eye. Diving into the ownership. So, who's the mastermind behind this financial revolution? The answer might surprise you. Unlike traditional banks, Lunar Bank isn't owned by a single entity. Instead, it's backed by a consortium of investors and financial institutions. This diverse ownership structure allows Lunar to innovate rapidly, adapt to changing market trends, and offer unique financial solutions. The benefits of a diverse ownership structure. This diverse ownership structure brings several advantages. Financial stability. With multiple investors backing the bank, it enjoys a strong financial foundation, reducing the risk of financial instability. Innovation and agility. A diverse group of investors often brings a wide range of expertise and perspectives. This can lead to innovative product development and quicker adaptation to market changes. Global reach. By partnering with international investors, Lunar can expand its operations to new markets and cater to a global customer base. The future of Lunar Bank. As Lunar Bank continues to grow and evolve, it's clear that its diverse ownership structure will play a crucial role in shaping its future. With a strong foundation, innovative approach, and a focus on customer experience, Lunar is poised to redefine the future of banking. While the specific details of Lunar Bank's ownership structure might be complex, it's clear that a diverse group of investors is driving its success. This collaborative approach allows Lunar to offer innovative financial solutions and cater to the evolving needs of its customers. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.